Arrow's HTX50 takes the concept of a hammer tacker to the next level. Made in the USA, this tool keeps comfort in mind with its sleek design and lightweight body. With HTX50, fatigue of the hands is one less thing you'll have to worry about on the job. If you're unfamiliar with a hammer tacker, think of it as a staple gun that works like a hammer. The HTX50 has an all-chrome steel housing, a comfortable grip, and a convenient rear load magazine. The HTX50 improves on Arrow's HT50 by adding a high-impact, non-slip rubber grip handle. The patented design uses an anvil and lever mechanism to give you more driving force with each swing compared to other hammer tacker designs. The anvil also offers more protection for your workpiece compared to other hammer tackers. This tool works with T50 staples in sizes 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch. Arrow offers online video instructions for reloading and unjamming this tool. The HTX50 is perfect for installing insulation, house wrap, roofing jobs, and flooring jobs.
Thanks for stopping by the Arrow Workshop. Be sure to tag Arrow Fastener on social media. We'd love to see the projects you're working on.